Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Insert the strainers into the push-fit adapters. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Place the cover flange and screw on the push-fit adapter. Push-fit adapters feature a concentric design to ensure proper alignment with the tap body. Tighten the grub screws to the push-fit adapters. Now turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Activate hot and cold to verify operation. The swivel spout can also be locked in a fixed position by tightening the grub screw at the rear. The lever handles include 3 color indicators that can be removed using a G-half thread. Simply screw in the G-half thread until the indicator loosens from its fixed position. Then pull it out and replace with your desired color indicator. Simply slide the color indicator into the handle and push until it clicks into place. The indicator system is engineered to secure handles to the tap body using a C-spanner or indicator spanner, eliminating the need for traditional screws and washers. Alternative installation method. Remove the indicator and secure it by directly screwing it onto the tap body until firmly tightened. Slide the handle over the indicator, align to desired position, then press firmly downward until it locks into place. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.